Today we will be testing the Tilson Bull Bear Marker Indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Tilson Bull Bear Marker Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 796 indicators, with 324 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the Tilson Bull Bear Marker Indicator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. So what we have is basically two lines here, two oscillating lines. And you can see that they are creating a coloration in the background. They are also changing color themselves. And so what we are looking for in this particular case is going to be just the cross of these two lines. And so as we get a cross, well, let me say first and foremost, we're looking for a cross of these two lines. And we are looking for the background coloration to also match the cross kind of direction. And so, for example, when the two lines cross right here and they go into the red coloration, then we are looking for the background to also be red, and that will be a signal to go short. On the reverse side, like right here, when we get the cross of the two lines and they go blue, we are looking for the background coloration to also be blue, and that will be a signal to go long. And so if we do get a cross and the background coloration does not match, doesn't confirm with the cross, then what we will do is we will look for the background to then change the color that does confirm, and that will be our entry signal then. And so don't see that happen too many times where the background coloration doesn't confirm. But if we see it pop up, then we'll take a look at that. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so here's an example of where it crosses and that background coloration doesn't match. And so you see that we get that cross where it is going into the blue now, but the background coloration is in the gray color there. And so we would not enter on that cross right there. We would then enter on this right here as the background coloration switches and confirms the cross there. So let's go ahead and play this forward a little bit here. Looks like we get a little bit of a push to the upside, and that is enough to get us to our take profit, it looks like. Let's double check that again. All right, so it looks like it just barely hits our take profit as it pulls up this wick right here. That one there, let's see. There we go. All right, so then we pick up a short signal over here as we get that cross of the two lines and in the red position, and the background coloration does match that. Let's go ahead and play this forward some. Unfortunately, that one does not work out for us too well. And then we pick up a long signal right here, and it looks like that one is going to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and play it forward just a little bit more here. All right, we then pick up this short right here, and we get a little bit of a push to the downside, but then it spikes right straight up pretty quickly there. That one getting us stopped out. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. This is our Discord server, and this is specifically the Patreon only channel here that we have set up just to post some kind of exclusive information and strategies and stuff for the patrons to take advantage of. So for example, our admin Jay is doing a great job trading the futures market, where he's putting up charts like this, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and just general analysis. And we'll typically give a write-up on exactly what it is that he was looking at. We also have Sasquatch. Here is a awesome Forex prop trader posting charts like this, where he is also marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and sometimes trades that he's looking to take. So he'll have his entry, his take profit, his stop, and he will also give a lot of really great advice and information. Same thing with our admin Jay, just giving, like I said, some general advanced information and just kind of thought experiments, chart analysis, and just general conversation and advice. So highly recommend that you join us to take advantage of the information here. All right, back to our indicator here. All right, let's get everything in focus. There we go. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So we have 21 trades all together. So a good number of trades within the 1 year's time. So that's definitely a plus. Let's go ahead and count out the winners. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 winning trades. And so that's going to barely put us over that 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, an interesting indicator. It gave 20 trades within the 1 year's time. Like I said, 21 trades. And so that is a really decent number of trades. So that's a good start, but 20 trades is kind of nearing on, kind of pushing that edge of over trading. And so this indicator did all right. Definitely wish that we could have gotten a little bit more accuracy out of it, but it did seem like as trend was changing, it was trying to keep up with it as best as possible without too much of a delay. And so yeah, this one's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.